Hello everyone, welcome to episode 35 of the Multiplayer tutorial for Unity3d. Today I'll be showing you how to make pickups, like health pickups. I have made a health texture here. This will not be able to download. You can just open up Paint or whatever the default for Mac is and just make it. It's really simple. It's just a red cross with a white background. Right, so we need to create the prefab, so create out the cube. How big is this in comparison to the player? Because we don't want it too big, we don't want it too small either. Boop, boop, boop. That's useful. Alright. Constructor. It's way too big. More like that, yeah, okay, that's fine. So I'm just gonna give it a proper value, so 0.5, 0.5, and 0.5. Name it health underscore pick. Now just drag that onto it. As you can see, we got that. Now I'm not going to create a normal map or anything for it because there's no point. Just for future reference, if we do decide to create a normal map, just go up here, texture, normal map, and just adjust the settings, so it won't really work. Oh, maybe it will. Actually, I think I will create a normal map for it. So I'm going to do underscore call for color, and Control D, duplicate, underscore NML for normal map, and specular. Click on it, normal map, sharp, apply, plop that on. As you can see, it is normal maps with a bit of shininess to it to make it look a little bit metallic or something. Now, just drag it into the prefabs, and we have our health pickup. Now we need to create two scripts. We need to create a go away origin. We need to create a script that it actually spawns the pickup, so pickup spawner. I think what I'm going to do is create a new folder, pickups. Why did you do capitals? Pickup scripts, just to make life easier, and then pickup. So see the spawner quickly. Just double click on it and open it up. Right. Yes. Okay. Yes. Oh my god. Something has died on me for some reason. Can I close it? I can't close it. I'll have to just whatever. Fine. Right. I'm gonna have to reopen that because it died on me for some reason. That was strange. There we go. Right, so using system.collections.generic. I think this would be a good time to show namespaces. This isn't really a good example for namespaces, but might as well. So go namespace, pickups, around that. And now you won't actually be able to use the pickup spawner script anywhere, because if you go pickup spawner, it's not there. If you go pickups.pickup spawner, then it is. It's a name. It's basically like a subfolder kind of thing. Yeah. So system.collection generic. We can go using pickups as well now. So that works. Anyway, we just go public list pickup. Pickups equals new list pickup. Now we need to go public int float waits time between spawn, I guess, and we want to go create a method void server underscore generate index, and then void spawn pick up, and this will have to take an int parameter, I for index and make it an RPC as well. So I'm just create an IE enumerator or a quarantine IE enumerator. What could that be? Quinins. Weight, I guess. So I'm gonna go yield return new wait for seconds, wait time between spawn. I'm gonna go server underscore generate that. We could do it have return an int actually. Yeah, we want to go int I equals random dot range 0 and pickups dot count return I. So remove server underscore generate, just do generate index. So in start we want to go if actually no, in the update we want to go if network.is server, then starts quarantine wait with speech marks around it because it doesn't have any parameters, and then in server underscore generate index under that I want to go stop quarantine wait. So now actually, yeah, what I'll do is network view.rpc pickup spawn rpc mode.o, yep, and then generates index. So that should work. Oh, we'll do that. Okay, now we need to create a pickup. Oh yeah, we haven't done anything in that, have we? Instantiate pickups I dot game objects, or is it does instantiate transform? No, it's just instantiation object. Okay, fair enough. Transform dot position and quaternion dot identity. So now we need to open up the pickup script. Oh, we have an error. What's wrong with that? Oh, I did random range instead of random dot range. Oopsie. That might have been why it didn't work. Nope, didn't. Perhaps we'll have to save that. So I want to go in I equals generate random index and then put I in there. Perhaps that shall work. No, I kind of did. Ah, for God's sake. There we go. Okay, now we get the line endings thingy. So file, advanced save options, Windows. There we go. Now, just open pickup, and create a new enum. Oh, enum pickup underscore mode. Make it public as well. I'm going to create health. Just add health. No, I'm just going to have health because that's all I need. But just put a comma and then whatever you want. So ammo, blah, just like that. Anything. I'm just going to have ammo, health for now because that's all I've made. So I need to go public pickup mode equals pickup mode dot health. So now we need to go void on collision, enter, collision col if col dot collider dot transform dot root dot get component, for God's sake, dot get component user player dot this dot my player is equal to multiplayer network manager dot instance dot my player. Oops. Then go. Actually, we only want to get component once, so user player p equals call dot collider dot root transform dot root dot get component user player. So first of all, if p, and then if p dot my player is equal to network manager is my player, and p dot my player dot p dot, what do I have to do with how? Alright, we need to create a new method in the user player, what should we call it, which shall be update health. Go away. Update health. Where's the other one? Take damage, take damage. Okay, so we need to go public void server underscore update health float health amount, I guess, and then RPC void client underscore update health float amount my player dot health plus equals amount with the ridiculous amount of m's. Yeah, that's it really. Oh yeah, in server blah blah blah. Just copy and paste the bit that's in server and take damage and just plop it in update health. And instead of client underscore take damage, put client underscore update health and amount as well. So yeah, it should work. Now we need to go p dot client server underscore update health amount p dot my player dot health minus 100. So let me just check I got that run the right way. So 70 minus 100 minus 30. Okay, wrong way around. 100 minus my player health, whatever. So 100 minus 70 equals 30. Good. That'll basically make it up to 100. So yeah. Oh yeah. Also, if my player blah, 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 okay. If in here, if mode is equal to mode.health, then do that. I'm just going to put this curly brackets around it because I can. I feel like it's going to give me an error. Fingers crossed. Yep, it gave me an error. Didn't like that. Oh, I had too many brackets, that's why. Now we have the... oh my god. I put too many M's in. Right, now I'm just gonna do this quickly with the line endings. Macintosh. There we go. Now we need to find the prefab, which was here. Add component, pick up, set to health, yes. There we go, that's fine. Oh yeah, also go network.destroy. Down here, network.destroy game object. Around this also, if network view.is mine, just do that around it. So you can see we've got that. Now let's just go into one of the scenes. Camera, okay. Yeah, alright, so I'm just going to create an empty game object. Name it pick up spawner. Wait time is 10. I'll just do put that to 1 and drag on health underscore pickup. Also, we need to make pickup part of the pickup namespace. So namespace pick up. I think that was right. Or pickups. And let's just go using pickups because we can. Now we're going to save this as a prefab. We're going to delete out the scene and just drag it on all over the place. Blah. Okay, so now what it's going to do is wait 10 seconds before the initial spawn as well. Which you can always change that just by going in the start function. No, I'm in the wrong one. In the start function, just make it spawn. But I wouldn't recommend that. And I typed in the wrong password. Log in. Let's see if anyone's done anything to the lead. Die. Okay. Thanks for that. It's not depressing. Hang on, let me see. I think I saved it in level 1, and level 1 was map without physics. Okay, back. 9. Start. Bread. Yes. Spawn. And it's going to wait 10 seconds. I think. Oh, it's lagging. Why is it lagging? We're getting loads of errors. Oops. I feel like an idiot. Right, I've got to put a network view on here. Network view. Right level. I'm just going to re-add them. Boop, boop, and boop. There. Jesus. Right. TZ, hello. Login. 7, start. Blue, yes. Spawn. We have an error. And that was really loud. And we're getting loads of stuff. Look at them. Look at them all. They're continuously spawning. That's not very useful. Boop. Okay, I don't know why they're continuously spawning. Aha, aha. Right, we need to go public game object last spawned. Actually, you might as well make it just a game object. We want to go last spawned equals at the end as game object, and then in here wait if last spawned, sorry, if not last spawned, which means no, if last spawned equals null or is equal to null, then do it all. Unless we do it, we'll do that in the update function actually. So with that. So and last spawned is equal to null. There we go. Now it won't continuously spawn. It spawns in the ground, so all you have to do to fix that is just move the object up a bit. It worked. It doesn't look like it did. Oh, password's incorrect. So it didn't work really, did it? Lying bastard. Start. Blue. It's blue, yes. Spawn. Shadows. Right. Oh no, it's still continuously spawning them. Why is that? That is a lot. Maybe if I do make it public. Okay, I'll just get to debugging this and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, there are a couple of things I forgot to do. First of all was to add a rigid body to this. Second of all was to add a network view. And then the next thing is we need to create another script to put on the first person controller, which is pick up collision handler, and just drag that into the pickup scripts again. Open it. I said open it. Oh, for God's sake. Right, now, where's the last one? There. You just go void on controller collider hit. I think that's right. Yep. I'm just copy and paste it to make sure I got it right. And go if hit dot pick up, sorry. Yeah, we need to put that in the pickups namespace. So pickups. So and then using pickups. So just go pick up p equals hit dot collider dot get component pickup. If p dot, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Create a public void request, yeah, just request, and pretty much just do this request. Oh yeah, we need to give it an MP player, so sorry, just a player. Oh, for God's sake, player p go, just pretty much put that in there. Mode, if mode is equal to health, p dot server blah blah. Oh sorry, no, user player, not player. So I'd say health at my player dot health. There we go. So and then destroy it after. Now we just destroy. So now we need to do that. So that's that good. So now we just go p dot request transform dot root dot get component, oh, for God's sake, dot get component user player, like that. And we have an error. What's wrong with that? Oh, I forgot to put another bracket. There we go. And now on the first person controller we need to just plop this on, or I'll do it like this. Pick, I forgot to say pick up collision handler. There we go. So now that should be good. I'm pretty sure that's all I did to it in debugging. Added the rigid body and the that. Let me just check and pick up. Okay. Oh yeah. Also, in the pickup spawner in the enumerator wait, I had start quarantine wait. It needs to be stop quarantine wait. That's why it continuously spawned them. So now it should, fingers crossed, get destroyed. We collide with it. Spawn. I gotta wait for 10 seconds. Don't know why I did it for so long. Ah, there we go. So there we go. Boop. There we go. And it gets destroyed. So now what I'm going to do quickly is take down my health quite far, like that, and go boop. And that didn't work. Why didn't that work? Huh. That's odd. Pick up prison handler. Where is it? Where did user player go? User player. Let me just plop a debug thing in here. So debug.log updating health, and I'll just put it down here as well. I'll do updated because I'm thinking that probably isn't getting called. What is no? I got if mode, so it's equal to health. Yeah. And its mode is equal to health from what I remember. Start. It's going to spawn that because it's the only one, and its mode is equal to health. Okay. Then the reason we need the rigid body is so it can actually detect the collisions. Let me just move them up quickly to make them spawn further up. Oh, for God's sake! To make them spawn further up. Let me just give it constraints. Don't do is kinematic for this because it won't be able to detect the collisions then. But yeah, to make it spawn further higher up, just move them up, and it will spawn higher up. Yeah, spawn. Okay, they're too high. 2. There we go. Now set my player's health down to that. Go boop. Updating health. Okay, doesn't call that. Client update health. Actually, no, I'll just do .all. That'll make life easier, won't it? Because we're not going to be calling any other methods after that, are we? So we can update as many times as it wants. So red, blue, blah. Just move them up 2 or 1, and then they'll spawn in mid-air and fall to the ground, or not. Let me turn that down and go boop. There we go. Now health is at 100. Yeah. Anyway, so what I'm going to quickly do is in the health underscore pickup prefab, just where you got constraints on the rigid body, click the arrow next to it. It should be down now, and just tick every tick box there. And then I'm just going to quickly move up these to 1 to make it easy. Alright, so yeah, cheers for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. The links to that will be in the description and blah blah blah. So yeah, cheers for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.